Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. Are you looking for some new hangers? Well, you have got to try these Amazon wooden pants hangers. So one thing that I love is the beautiful wooden look. Aren't wooden hangers the best? I love the way they look in my closet. They're very classy. They make my hanging clothes look great. I also love that they're multifunctional, so I wear a lot of skirts. I use them for skirts mostly. I also have a couple pairs of dress pants, so really I can use them in a variety of ways, and it works great for all those things in my closet. They also feel like a really nice, solid construction. The clips work really well. The wood feels solid. So I feel like they're a great product. They look good in my closet, and I've been very happy with them. And that's my point of view.